Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to search for delicious recipes using Google. Get ready to discover a world of culinary delights right at your fingertips. Craving a special dish or looking to try something new in the kitchen? Let's explore how you can find mouth-watering recipes using Google. First, you need to open your web browser and go to Google by typing www.google.com in the address bar. In the search bar, type in the name of the recipe you're interested in. For example, let's search for homemade pizza recipe. Press enter and the search results will appear. Look for the recipes tab at the top of the page. Now you'll see a list of recipe options. Click on any recipe that catches your eye to view more details. So here it is. And then you have to choose here or click what pizza do you like. Once you click on a recipe, you'll see a brief overview, ingredients list, cooking instructions, and even reviews from people who have tried it. And that's it. You now know how to easily search for recipes using Google. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you'll find a wide range of recipes to suit your taste and skill level. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to search for recipes using Google. Now you're all set to whip up some culinary magic in your kitchen. See you on my next video.